Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.
Say, me na me represent the MPP na the government e wa ha. Man ka bibia say e BAC no nti the way no okay. Man ka fi fa sadia no. But the most important thing is say my yemma Ghanaians entias here. Say judgment debt, there were two types. There were type ye cookie, or type ye near it were dime. At the ma obi, at the money panu we are, nay a cocheche eddy. Yahubi, ewo isotophone, Yahubi, ewo woyomi, Yahubi, ewo bebre. And another one now, and a genuine judgment debtor ye word against government ye wo no so hwe de bia ye ka se NDC na omamba se ombabua Ghana kofo bi antiase muka say oh politics na ye enye politics. I'm saying say Ghana ha no nipa between MPP and NDC nipa obetimi aholdi the public exchequer, the integrity of it between the two MPP is far better than the NDC. Sure, because I almost said that a creative doom so at that time. You see, almost said that creative doom so, and no another honor. Because now you say generation, we had the capacity to generate the peak demand. The say here, you know. Na your machines no ebeti me a generate, but almost shed that and almost create a situation where almost say there was no way yebeti me a generate electricity. Just a yema another yema more capacity, and in that capacity no they ended up giving us what we call excess. But in Kofobi or me Kofobi nim say excess capacity na ekano, and they say oh abroso keke. Sika na omode to so no say te say wa current car eba fie na petrol asa petrol car no petrol asa instead of say we be kwa to petrol na we san use car no biom no na wa jai car no rented car no eto fie esi fie ho a na wa san current another car because pay more generation pay more capacity na your friend no car power, Amere, GCP, Ninuama. But yeah, see, rent one car, Ebafia. One car, no better serve all the purpose. Because the more I would the car, would rent more, Ebesi or no, the more I will be Tresica. Because whether or not you use the car, you are going to pay. And on the effort, take or pay. No, it's NDC for a decided says, our company way, which now happen to be Omwa Kasa Company. The NDC Omu Attorney General, Deputy Attorney General, Mr. Dominic Ayini, the company address, Ayini Associate address na Okitano, that and Sak address no Omudi register sa company no.
Which is a lie.
Yeah, in your life.
Which is a lie. Today, as we speak, current attorney general is using his email address. The current attorney general is using the email address.
What are you talking about?
He's using his email address.
What is the meaning of that?
He's using his personal email address.
Find out. And so,
Sakasalia, my yentie o build up no.
I'm saying, the NDC for Deputy Attorney General Dominic Ayini. Ni company I'm uni an associate ni company ni address ewo is legon no eno na GCPC GCGP no AUC as omo company address ya bisa no wanti mi ankasa nya no kure ni defense no say ye company address but ye ne partner na di register the partner also lawyer Basil. It from day one. What you mean say it was cooked. It's a cooked deal. NDC for a cookie, and therefore there are certain clauses in the contractor and make it sense. Anybody that want to hold the public exchequer well without shortchanging the people would not put those clauses in there. And the company for 4 good years we're going to be paying $24.9 million. These are and yes, omu generating electricity mayo. A company daho and juma biano. We were supposed to be paying $24.9 million every year for 4 good years, and it would have amounted to $115.4 million from 48 million. I'm saying 150 million. 115.48 million. And this is a sika that within the 4 years, Ghana government ebetua. Yet so and you say omu generate electricity mayo that be excess capacity keke because your capacity you generate electricity that. Enti NDC for any omu address omu di register company no. The company be able to dime eka say that company we every year be amount 24 million. And a year by no you say oh that company we cry no you take a decision say excess capacity charges now e work from hand e do so do the Ghana government no you share about $1 billion every year. $1 billion when you Ghana cedis. $1 billion we no a betimi asi a whole town, a whole city crowd betimi asi. $1 billion nyesika kitwa about 6 billion Ghana cedis. Udi shia Mr. Nasa on Timisha. He cannot carry it for 5 years. On Timi and carry even with wheelbarrow. And that is the money in this for Akache say that is the amount I ever to a master company way. In Tiabano and say that be we Ghana government cannot afford to pay in excess capacity of $1 billion at the company. See, we are going to review and even terminate some of the PPA agreements. And that was the reason why Shemunu and you say company way no. Number one, yes, see because they were supposed to say generate what electricity, mostly electricity solution, and they were going to bring the equipment new from Italy. And the policy necessarily say we are not going to embark on second-hand equipment. Meanwhile, Omobano, they came out with used equipment that you use it baby and omode ba say omode be adwuma no so ambe no Energy Commission more permission because the Energy Commission had to give them license. Energy Commission more license no. And then also baby I must say almost site that company no yamo even the land. So what I say the siting and construction permit so the failure to obtain a license and a come to the conclusion say one, there was illegality for want of capacity to entertain them because now they don't have the capacity because licenses. Then failure to obtain siting and construction permit, installation and use plant contrary to policy, and failure to fulfill the CP and conditions subsequent. It's failing in all these things. And you know, say, Ghana government was supposed to exempt all the equipment at Omodeba. Tax biya Omodeba biano is supposed to be tax exempt. Yen taxi she and Ghana government so and a beka site no. And you know another thing, that's the icing on the cake, was that Nebua, the tariffs charge now, was the highest in West Africa. Is the highest. So omo ye we nyina wie na omo be charge electricity na omo be generate no. They are going to charge very high exorbitantly. Inti the Attorney General etnase and omo forming a committee. And the committee came out with a report. HSA, same way dear. Yentimi, Ghana government no yentimi, and therefore the best thing to save Ghana no is a terminating contract. And in terminating the contract, we're supposed to pay $18 million. It is a $18 million at least. Ebe boy, because sometimes in law, no, you can decide deliberately abrogate a contract because the repercussion of not breaking the contract would have been huge.
Needs FM.